Start by removing this clip and your inner fender. You can purchase the clip remover tool in our tool and accessories section on our website. Pull the inner fender to access inside. Install the U-nut on the bracket inside. Make sure the threaded parts is toward the front of the car. Then install the bracket with the provided M6 bolt. Then assemble the Aero Extension over the splitter with the provided screws. You can then peel the protective film over each deflector. With a 1/8 drill bit, drill in the Aero Extension through the bracket's hole. And then screw the provided Phillips screw into the extension.